oral arguments in Grayscale's lawsuit challenging the Securities and Exchange Commission's decision to deny the conversion of its Grayscale Bitcoin Trust to an exchange-traded fund have been scheduled by the District of Colombia Court of Appeals. The order was filed on January 23, 2023, and it states that the Grayscale and the SEC will present their respective case on March 7, 2023, at 9:30 a.m. Eastern Time to present their respective cases. In June 2022, Grayscale filed suit against the SEC after the agency denied its request to convert its Bitcoin Trust, ticker symbol GBTC, into an exchange-traded fund, or ETF. After the SEC authorized ProShares futures-based Bitcoin ETF in October 2021, the Grayscale decided to pursue a Bitcoin ETF, which would be backed by Bitcoin instead of Bitcoin derivatives. Grayscale's application was denied by the SEC last summer after the SEC repeatedly postponed its decision. In its rejection of Grayscale application for a Bitcoin ETF, the SEC claims Grayscale failed to address the SEC's questions and concerns regarding market manipulation and investor safeguards. After a tough 2022, investors are sitting on the sidelines of the cryptocurrency market. Difficult macro conditions and the destruction created by the collapse of Terra and the bankruptcy of Three Arrows Capital, Celsius, Voyager, and FTX all contributed to this trend. Genesis, a cryptocurrency lender, filed for bankruptcy on January 19, 2023. On January 23, 2023, GBTC had $14.5 billion assets under management. GBTC was the first crypto product investors could trade in their brokerage accounts to gain exposure to Bitcoin. It debuted in 2013 before either Canada or the US had approved exchange-traded funds, or ETFs, for Bitcoin. Grayscale is a moneymaker for Digital Currency Group, managed by Barry Sobert, thanks to the 2% annual fee it charges investors. Many cryptocurrency investors, most recently Cameron Winklevoss of Gemini, have been critical of Sobert. Recently, Fir Tree Capital Management filed a lawsuit against Grayscale alleging Grayscale's mismanagement and conflicts of interest related to GBTC. Both the Valkyrie and Osprey funds have pushed Grayscale to step down as GBTC's sponsor and name their respective funds as the sponsor instead, since this would provide shareholders with a more direct route to reduce management fees and the establishment of a redemption scheme. So, will Grayscale prevail in its pursuit of acquiring the first Bitcoin spot ETF? Or will increased scrutiny continue to deplete the value of the GBTC? Stay tuned. Cheers.